These countless rafts in Galician estuaries are platforms for growing edible mollusks. For students at the IGAFA, one of Spain's leading high schools in this sector, these waters serve as their outdoor classroom, a place to build the knowledge and skills their chosen professions demand.
These students are training for careers in aquaculture, part of what's known as Europe's blue economy, all the sea-based sectors working towards sustainable growth. It's supported by national and European policies, but its success depends on data collected daily all along Europe's coastlines.
Aquaculture is one of the key sectors of European coastal economies. It employs tens of thousands of people, mainly in Spain, France, Greece and Italy. The sector needs skilled specialists ready to work at sea, in laboratories and in business offices.
Estoy aprendiendo a realmente cómo criar y engordar distintos tipos de animales marinos para el sector del alimento.
Es un ciclo que pues puedes ganar bien si sabes trabajar de eso.
The aquaculture sector has high potential. It produces sustainable, local and healthy protein. It eases pressure on wild fish stocks and reduces Europe's dependence on imported seafood. But growth remains constrained. Investors and future workers need clearer understanding of what lies ahead, both economically and environmentally. José Ventura, the Institute's director, identifies the challenge.
Existen muchas incertidumbres. Una es la situación de estabilidad económica de las regiones, ¿no? Al producir un valor económico que entra en un mercado, no sabes cómo va a fluctuar el mercado. Otras son las incertidumbres medioambientales. Estamos en una situación constante de cambio climático que afecta a las producciones locales, sobre todo algunas como estas que dependen muy directamente de las condiciones ambientales naturales.
Take salinity. In these estuaries, salt ocean water mixes with fresh water from rivers. Tides and rainfall cause salinity to swing, sometimes to levels that threaten shellfish survival. Underwater sensors monitor water characteristics continuously through a network of automatic platforms operated by Intecmar, the Technological Institute for the Control of the Marine Environment of Galicia. The sensors require only occasional cleaning to remove algae. Otherwise, they work autonomously, run on solar and wind power. They transmit constant readings: temperature, salinity, pH, oxygen levels, and more.
Tener esos datos en tiempo real, desde luego, facilita esa gestión del recurso y hace muchísimo más cómodo que cualquier persona pueda acceder a través de nuestra página e ir haciendo el seguimiento de cómo evoluciona.
The automated monitoring is only one of many data sources. Researchers also visit industrial aquaculture facilities to collect samples of water and shellfish to be analysed in the lab. This detailed knowledge of coastal water conditions, physical, chemical, biological, is essential. Aquaculture producers depend on this public data to optimise their operations and guarantee seafood safety. Yet the information doesn't stop at Intecmar and other research institutes. It keeps flowing into vast international databases.
Estos datos de esta pequeña región se unen al resto de datos europeos para dar una visión mucho más general del mundo marino.
Vigo, Galicia's largest city, is a major hub of Europe's blue economy. Here sits CETMAR, the institution that channels up-to-date information into regional and EU decision-making. Rosa Chapela runs the institute.
Proviendo datos en materia de ordenación marítima espacial, en materia de actividad en los puertos, la actividad de extracción de áridos, actividades militares que hay en las zonas marítimas. Y son datos además importantísimos, porque si queremos hacer unas políticas justas para nuestros sectores de la economía azul en Europa, tenemos que contar con los mejores datos.
Let's follow the data to Ispra, a lakeside town in Italy home to the European Commission's scientific hub, the Joint Research Centre. Jan Martinsen leads the Ocean and Water Unit at the JRC. His team analyses data from Europe's fishery and aquaculture sectors, from Eurostat EU agencies, member states, and countless other sources. The findings appear each year in the EU Blue Economy Report, a clear document that helps inform policy and guides billions in investments.
One striking example is obviously the common fisheries policy. There, the Commission even has the obligation to take up the information that we produce. Apart from that, we have, for example, the Zero Pollution Action Plan for the European Union. Our information is taken up also to inform investment opportunities. So we really help to shape a strategy underpinning a sustainable blue economy.
Facts, figures, analyses, all published continuously by JRC researchers who maintain the EU Blue Economy Observatory. It's a treasure trove of charts, maps, and current data, freely available to anyone through the observatory's website.
Stakeholders, be it policymakers, be it entrepreneurs, for example, can see what is going on in the blue economy sectors. We have dashboards, for example, where you can even assemble your own data in a way, your own information in a meaningful and useful way for yourself to analyze what is going on in maritime transport, in fisheries, in energy sector, what is happening with respect to the energy transition that we are actually going through.
Back in Vigo, the connection of the blue economy to our daily lives is clearer than ever. The port was long seen as a barrier separating the city from the sea. Now it's transformed by a so-called blue path, a new walkway that opens the port areas to citizens and tourists. Industrial history, marine wildlife, cultural heritage, all on display.
Es fundamental que los puertos se encarguen de hacer a la ciudadanía conocedora de la riqueza y biodiversidad de la ría, de la riqueza que proporciona la industria del mar y todos los trabajos de la economía azul.
The 7-kilometer path ends at a special destination. Soon, visitors will be able to descend into an underwater observatory submerged beneath the surface. It will be surrounded by artificial reefs teeming with marine life. The observatory will send an important message. Economic growth, jobs, and innovation matter. Our seas are more than a resource to be developed and money to be made. The ocean is a living system that sustains us and that we must sustain in return.